So today, I talk about, no, I hated that. Carol Dweck, PhD, in her book called Mindset, The Psychology of Success, writes about how our beliefs can fundamentally impact our ability to achieve things. It's kind of crazy. You can check out an image on the blog that kind of sums it up really nicely. In a nutshell, what she says is that if you have a growth mindset, then you believe intelligence is something that can change. You persist in the face of setbacks. You don't give up easily. You learn from feedback. On the other hand, if you have a fixed mindset, you believe that intelligence is just something that you're born with and it stays static. It stays the same throughout your life. So you really have a desire to look smart and you avoid challenges. You give up easily. You ignore feedback, right? So a growth mindset is the mindset that's going to allow you to succeed as an actor, really in anything, but it's amazing how much it applies to actors. Have you ever heard someone say about another actor, oh, he just has this star quality, it's so amazing, you know, he was just born like that, and you're either born with it or you're not. That is such a fixed mindset. And on the other hand, have you ever heard someone say, oh, you know what, she's just not that talented, she should probably quit acting and try something else. Again, another example of a fixed mindset. So I want you to ask yourself and be honest with yourself. Do you have a growth mindset or do you have a fixed mindset? Here's a really good barometer for you. When you hear about another actor who you can kind of relate to in some way, who has some success, does that make you feel kind of threatened and like you're not going to make it because that person did? Or are you inspired by that person's success? If you're inspired, then it's likely that you have a growth mindset. And if you're not, that's something that I want you to really consider working on. That is why two integral parts of the ARG Pro membership work really well together. Our monthly masterclasses and our monthly interviews with people who are successful in the industry. Because when you have a growth mindset, you're not obsessed with proving how great you are as an actor. Rather, you have a passion for learning and getting better. And that is exactly what's going to take you and your career to the next level.